Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. I'm very passionate about the breath, and I believe the breath is a powerful tool for our daily living. No matter what our circumstances, we all can take a breath. When we do this in a conscious and intentional way, it can really change things. For instance, when we're in a situation where we feel some overwhelming feelings, very high, intense emotions, very helpful to be able to take a breath. However, that might not be the moment to begin. It's a good idea to practice intentionally, pausing, coming to your breath, a meditation practice, or just now and again through your day, so that when things do get a little intense and overwhelming, it's a familiar thing to do to come to your breath. This can really help in our daily lives in terms of a pause that helps us be responsive rather than reactive. Let's try it right now. If you're able to sit comfortably, close your eyes or lower your gaze. Become aware of your breath as gentle movement in your body. The in-breath is a lifting, expanding movement as we receive. The out-breath as a softening in, releasing. Take your awareness consciously to the next 3 breaths, feeling each part of your breath. Begin now with your in-breath. Now open your eyes and lift your gaze. Take in your surroundings. See if your perspective has changed slightly from just 3 breaths. Practice this regularly so that when things are intense, you might be able to very easily call on the breath as a tool to change your perspective. Practice this on a regular basis so that when you really need to, in those moments of high or intense emotion, you can come to the breath, pause, take 3 breaths, and change your reaction, shifting from reactivity to responsiveness. If you're interested in learning more about bringing in the mind body practices of yoga, Tai Chi, Qigong, and meditation into your daily life in a very easy and manageable way, please go to www.chanvar.com to learn more about the daily 10-minute. Be sure to register for the next free 5-day practice challenge. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you soon.